Hi, I'm Ed Hooks Jr., brokered by eXp Realty, living in Castle Rock luxury. Great opportunity over now in the heels of our Thanksgiving holiday to talk about Black Friday and Black Friday sales and how those translate to new construction and builders in our area. For the last 12 months, our local production builders, semi-custom builders, have been 100% into the speculation building mode. They will build what they want, where they want, with the finishes that they want, and it makes it a lot easier as a consumer to buy what they're having. But then having to fight and wait in line has not been a real fun times for most clients. Well, I'm going to tell you today that Black Friday sale is on. As builders transition back from full spec building to, we really want to close out these filings that we have specs going on in right now. There are some opportunities for you to pick up that ranch style home that you may have wanted to have at a significant discount from the neighbors that will be around you. Here's an example of a Shea Homes in the Canyons that has been on the market for most of 90 days, I suppose. They started with prices up in the 900s. I believe it's heading for a $900,000 sale. This is a ranch with a full walkout basement. The walkout basement is not finished, so this is about 2,100 square feet finished on the main level, and it's finished to a very high finish level standards, I would say, for a production build. Shea Homes is building great homes. Beautiful primary suite bathroom accommodation, the open living concept that everybody wants. It's 2 bedrooms plus an office. It backs to some open greenbelt area, which the Canyons does a really good job of providing. While you're shoulder to shoulder to your neighbors, you will back to, in most cases, some kind of open space. You can have some private outdoor living in the back. Across the interstate, we will find at Timberline the Taylor Morrison homes that are going on here. They're closing out. They've got only just a few units left. This particular ranch, I would build a patio out front of this place to take advantage of the views. Very nice open living plan. This home, I think, is going to be around the $750,000 mark, completed very soon. Taylor Morrison actually has some pretty good lending incentives right now. 3-2-1 buy down for qualified buyers would be 6%-ish APR in the fourth year. You could have a 3% mortgage, a 4% mortgage, a 5% mortgage, and a 6% mortgage. So have 4 years for market corrections of lending, an opportunity to take a significant discount over what your neighbor have already bought in this neighborhood. So reach out today, no matter what your price point. I would say above $600,000 in Douglas County. There is something for you in a new construction home that will be available to deliver quickly, certainly within the next 2 or 3 months, and I'd love to help you find your next great place. Moving up to new is going to be the investment that you wish you had made in the coming 5 years. Have an amazing day. Reach out. I'm Ed. Thanks for listening.